Hey friends, so in this video we're going to go take a look at Peggy's Cove. Hey friends, so it's pretty much the end of October here. I'm still on the South Shore, just wrapping things up, getting ready to head back to Spring Hill for the winter. And I've been actually kind of waiting out the weather to get a good day and take you to Peggy's Cove. I've been to Peggy's Cove before. I did a video basically this time last year, but I decided that as far as the Nova Scotia tour that I did this summer, this would probably be a good way to more or less start the beginning of the end of the tour, because I don't know if there's going to be many videos coming after this. There might be a couple of kind of comparison videos or 5 best campground videos or something like that. I haven't quite decided yet, but on that note, we're going to head into Peggy's Cove one more time. But basically, I decided that this would be a good chance to show you all the renovations that have been going on. So all through this summer, they've been working and fixing up Peggy's Cove. It's such a popular attraction that I guess they figured they'd invest some money into it. I heard a number around $3 million. Don't know if that's true or not. Could be more, could be less. That'd be something to Google. And as far as that goes, basically the list that I saw online is there was some road work done. The turnaround at the lighthouse was improved. The parking lot was improved. They built a washroom at the lighthouse, like a public washroom. They also built washrooms, I think, in one of the parking areas, or possibly the visitor center got like new washrooms or something. I'm not 100% sure. There is now a viewing deck. They did something regarding a breakwater. I'm not sure if that's a new thing or, you know, older thing that they improved. I don't remember there being much of a breakwater there, but maybe that's just kind of like in the Cove area. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to mispronounce this, but I know that they were doing some work around the DeGoth gallery. I'm not sure what that is, but they've made some improvements there. And yeah, what else? Oh, lighthouse got a new coat of paint. And yeah, so I'm kind of curious, see what they did, see what they're working on. I know that most of the improvements have been open to the public. I know the viewing center, viewing platform opened on the 18th of October, so it's new. And they're still kind of finishing touches. I think there's some benches that need to be installed, that kind of thing. And yeah, they're almost done. So on that note, let's go down the road, take a look at Peggy's Cove, see what they've done for improvements, and we'll go from there. All right, I'll talk to you all in a minute. So as you may or may not know, Peggy's Cove is an active fishing village. The residents here are year-round. And obviously tourism factors into their livelihood at some point. But yeah, started off as a fishing village, remains as a fishing village. This is my favorite boat here, but anybody who knows me knows, bring me the dilapidated, the derelict, the abandoned. When I was here last year, this building was sitting pretty precariously on its pilings, and it looks like they've really upgraded the foundation to speak. Gave it some new legs, nice and stable. As well as this one over here. Yeah, like seeing behind here, this whole deck is all redone. Very nice. I love this view. I will be taking my stills camera out after this, getting some more pictures. And you can probably find a few on my Etsy. Link in the description in a couple weeks. So even though the parking lot is pretty full, I've noticed the road traffic is quite less than it usually is. I've seen it here where it's pretty much gridlock. definitely not as busy as it usually is, being that it's fall and we're just coming out of 4 days of kind of cloudy, rainy weather. So yeah, if it stays like this till tomorrow, I'm imagining Saturday is going to be pretty much back to normal, where it'll be busy. Anybody else thinking ice cream right about now? I don't know why. So the improvements look pretty good, I'd say. I like the viewing deck for the simple fact that it's way more accessible for people with handicaps and disabilities. This nice ramp goes up, nice view. I mean, from the tourist center all the way down here, you're pretty much on a nice sidewalk now, and or boardwalk. It's all been redone. So, kudos. Well, these must be the Cove washrooms right here. Oh. I believe these are called the Cove washrooms, based on the building list, so to speak, of what they were creating and adding to the area. So these are public washrooms. Well, friends, that's my video from Peggy's Cove. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't been here since the renovations, it's definitely worth coming to visit again. I was talking to some ladies in a shop, and I didn't realize that how much of an impact this pandemic would have on people. So picture this. You have a little gift shop here at Peggy's Cove. Pandemic hits, and just one aspect of your sales is cruise ships. So the cruise ships come into Halifax, and they actually have buses that come out to show people Peggy's Cove, the tourist buses. You know how many buses come out here pre-pandemic? 200 buses a day. So you got to think, that's got to hit people's bottom dollar. But that said, these improvements are going to make a big difference, because now with the viewing deck, which is totally 100% wheelchair accessible, I mean, even just since I've been here this afternoon, I've seen like 3 or 4 different wheelchairs, you know, people in wheelchairs being pushed up and coming to visit and that kind of thing. So that alone is just, it's huge. So kudos to the government in Nova Scotia who put into plan these renovations at Peggy's Cove. They fixed it up nice. There's public washrooms in, I think, 3 different locations, at least 2. And yeah, they did a really good job. New sidewalks, new roads. The boardwalks have all been fixed up. Very nice. So yeah, that's going to be it from Peggy's Cove, and I will talk to you all soon. This is probably one of the last, if not the last video of my Nova Scotia tour. I'm not sure if I'm going to get anywhere else before I head back to Spring Hill in a couple of days. If I do, it will be next. But until then, yeah, enjoy your winter, stay warm, stay safe, and I will talk to you all soon. Okay.